In this video, I'm just going to say how Analytics Avenue for Research and Development helps the students and freshers community. If you are a candidate looking for internship opportunities, or if you are a fresher with a long career gap, then Analytics Avenue for Research and Development's mega internship program is one of the biggest opportunity for you to cultivate your knowledge into the field of data analytics. When you speak about internship, it's not like somewhere you go, you stay there, you do 3 days, or you stay there for 5 days and you do some basic projects and get a certificate. No, that is not an internship at all. An internship is something which add value to your career. An internship is something where you improve your knowledge. An internship is something where you improve your portfolio. So through our data analytics mega internship and training program, under our internship guidance, you people will be starting everything from the scratch. You will be having a hands-on knowledge into 3 different technologies: SQL, Python, Power BI or Tableau. You people will be doing 3 real-time projects. You people will be in direct touch with data scientists and data engineers. And more than this, you people will be getting 2 valuable certificates that totally personifies your performance. One certificate shows what kind of a projects that you have done, and another certificate clearly illustrates a recommendation letter from our data scientist team. Hope so you will explore our website and get benefited. Thanks.